Hello everybody, it's Monty, it's Shado Park, it's geometry, and here we are on Skill Builder Week, the last week of school before the winter break. So, on day 2, we're going to be studying proportions and fractions. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so remember, balance, I'm an equal sign, right? And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. We've got to keep the equation balanced. So, let's get started here. Draw our little fence. And which way are we going to take the letter N? Okay, let's add 7n to both sides. Well, if we do that, look, kind of weird happens. I get rid of them. I get rid of them. What? Leaving a 2 and a 7. What? Can 2 equal 7? No. Impossible. Okay? So, that is not a proper equation. So, no solution. Alright? Cool. Let's try the next one. Okay, so let's move. Actually, we can combine variables, can't we? If we have 2, but we lose 1, leaving us with 1x, equals negative 12 and 7x. Okay, we got to get these x's all together. What's the opposite of a plus? Good, a minus. So now 1 minus 7, we're short 6. Those went away, leaving us with negative 12. What's the opposite of multiply? Good, divide. Leaving us with x equals negative 12 divided by negative. Negative by negative is a positive. 12 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? Alright, so you try a couple. Now the distributive property. Okay, we've got to know how to distribute. Okay, parentheses means multiply. So if you have to, kind of look at this here, right? Where we're multiplying and distributing. Multiply to distribute. Okay? Alright, give it a try. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times the 4 is 20. Alright? Okay, so what do we got here? 8 times 8, 64. 8 times a negative 2k. Alright, let's draw our little fence so we don't make a mistake here. Okay, so what's the opposite of a plus? A minus. So subtract 64 from both sides, leaving us with negative 16k and equals and 32. Yeah, I agree. What's the opposite of multiply? Divide. Good. And then we're going to have k equals negative 2. A negative 2. Okay, you try these three. Next page. Okay, so might as well just do the first one, huh? Alright. So, distribute, distribute. We've got to get rid of the parentheses. Parenthesis means multiply. Okay? So we have a 7 minus 32. 4 times 8. Negative 4 times 4 is minus 16x. Good. Why don't we combine these like terms real quick? 7 minus 32. So we have 25 minus 16x, 31 minus 2x. Okay, so let's bring the x's over. What's the opposite of plus? Minus. So we're going to add. To get rid of that, we have to add 2x to both sides. That, those cancel. 25, negative 16, but we gain 2, so we're minus 14x. Let's subtract the 25. The opposite of a plus is a minus, so we subtract 25 from both sides. That goes away, leaving us with negative 14x, leaving us with a 6. Alright? Divide both sides by 14, and we'll have x equals 6 over 14 in the negative, isn't it? Yes, it is. All right, give those a try, and let me know if you